इंटरनेशनल न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट MD सिंध फ़ख्र न्यूज़ अब्बास शीराजी आयरलैंड के एक बड़ी सियासी पार्टी की सदर का फ़लस्तीनियों के हक़ में बयान। अल्लाह फरमाता है, अगर तुम बाज ना आए तो मैं गैर मुस्लिमों से वही काम ले लूँगा जो तुम लोगों ने करने थे। यूरोप तक गूंजने लगी है कि और कुछ ना कर सको तो कम अज़ कम इस मुल्क के सफ़ीर को ही मुल्क बदर कर दो। आज इस एहतजाज में आयरलैंड भी शामिल हो चुका है।
We welcome the Palestinian ambassador. The Palestinian people have a right to their homeland. Having endured generations of dispossession, occupation, oppression, apartheid, human rights violations that should shake humanity, tonight hell rains down on Gaza. Gaza, the graveyard of children. A child's life taken every 10 minutes. Israel claims to act in self-defense. Carpet bombing civilians, collective punishment, massacring children in their thousands is not defense. These are not justifiable responses to the horrific attack by Hamas on October the 7th. The world sees Israeli actions for what they are: barbaric, hateful, cowardly war crimes. This is a moment of reckoning for world leaders, for the European Union, a test of commitment to human rights, peace, democracy. We ask, where is the protection of international law for every child killed in Gaza, for every Gazan mother holding the cold body of their dead child? Israel cannot be allowed to commit atrocities with impunity. The government says that Israel's actions cannot be without consequences. I agree. That is why the Irish government must take the lead and refer Israel to the International Criminal Court and send the Israeli ambassador home.